calf raises after Achilles injury can be really challenging. We need to be really specific about how we do it. So we started off today talking about doing it with both legs, coming all the way up and then pushing through the ball, that is this portion of the first and the second toe.
Yeah.
Often what happens, watch as I go through this again, this is usually the default. Notice my toes pushing into the platform, right? So the toes are actually flexing. And that is more of a compensation strategy for calf weakness. What you want to do is you want to extend the toes so that the contact is only on the base of the foot or the ball of the foot. Yep. And then as I drop down, slowly over about 5 seconds descent, trying to get my heel as low as I can, I push back up,
without the toes touching.
Intentionally not pushing into the platform with the toes. They stay extended. Additionally, your foot's going to have the propensity to kind of roll out like this. So you're going to need to do your diligence to push through the ball of the first and the second toe to really get into your medial gastroc. Okay, and the tempo is slow. 3 to 5 second descent. I bottom out. I come up nice and quick, being diligent with my toes as well as my plantar pressures. I'm squeezing at the top, really owning the medial gastroc is really where I want to feel it, and then slowly descending back down.